Welcome to Learnlyte. My name is Theodore. I'll be your instructor throughout this series as you learn Python. This is the first video in a series of videos that aims to teach you the fundamentals of programming. The programming language that we will use throughout this series is Python. This series intends to take you from a complete beginner to a more skillful and adept programmer, competent in the Python programming language. If you're a complete novice, then this is the video for you. If you're already a programmer, stick around, you might learn something new. So today in this video, you'll be writing your first Python program. But before that, we need to download Python. So to do that, we can simply go on Google. So right here, once we have Google, we can search for Python download. Alright, and that will take us to download Python, python.org. And from this website, you can download the latest version of Python for Windows. And I believe they also have it for Mac and Linux, as you can see here. So go ahead and you can click download Python and it will begin the download for you. I already have downloaded Python, so there's no need for me to do that. But click here and download whichever version of Python that you want. So, granted you have Python downloaded, we'll begin by writing our very first program, the Hello World program. And don't worry if you don't understand now, I'll explain everything later. Alright, so to begin, you need to ensure that you have Python downloaded. So you can easily check that. For Windows, I believe we can check that by simply going into our settings. And once we go into our settings, we can go on system and nope. Alright, here we can go on add and remove programs, and we can scroll down, and Python MNO. Here we go. So here you can see I have two versions of Python installed. I have Python 2.7 and 3.6. So granted you've installed Python in your, if you're using a Windows, in apps and features, you should see Python here. And if you can do the same for Mac and Linux. So once you have Python installed, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna search for IDLE. Now, this will bring up the Python environment where we can now do some coding. So right here, this is the Python interpreter, and we're gonna click File, New File, and right here is where we're gonna write our Python script. And right here is the Python interpreter that will be used to execute it. So we can begin by first writing our first program, the Hello World program. So to begin, just follow along. Don't worry if you don't understand. In the next video, I'll explain everything. So we're gonna write def, and we're gonna write hello, bracket, then we're gonna put name, close bracket, n, and then we're gonna write return, and in double quotations, we're gonna write hello world, my name is, and then we're gonna write plus name. Alright, then we're gonna hit file, and we're gonna hit save. Now once we hit save, we're gonna name this my first program, and we're gonna hit save. Now once it hits save, we're gonna go up here, we're gonna click run, and we're gonna click run module. Okay, so run module, and now we're over here and we're gonna type hello, and we're gonna pass in a name, and the name we're gonna pass in is John. Alright, and we hit end quotation, close bracket, hit enter, and we get hello world, my name is John. We can do it again. We can write hello, and inside name we're gonna put Roy, close quotation, close bracket, hit enter, and we get hello world, my name is Roy. So granted you've successfully downloaded Python and you followed along, and this works perfectly. Granted you follow along, then this should work, and you would have successfully written your first Python program, which I call hello. So this will be it for today. In the next video I'll just be explaining what it is that's going on here, and as we progress I will explain certain Python key terminologies and other areas of programming that you should learn. So thank you for watching. If you've enjoyed this video, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions, please ask them in the comment section below, and I will see you in the next video.